Charlotte, don't you quit on me now. Don't you back out. This is a very important time. Forget about Charlotte. I fired her. So right now I'm gonna just focus on completing these objectives because I need more help, and it seems like that's the only way it's gonna get done. So I need my giant sign right here. Only scams. I need only scams paint. Can we change the color? Okay, these two colors, these are the same. These are pretty close. These are the exact same. This is pretty close, I guess. We can try that one. Okay, she needs a break. Like, no energy. She's like, I've been standing here for like 20 minutes. I have no energy. I need like a Starbucks.
Have a nice day.
$100 for a mirror. And I'm pretty sure I broke all of the pieces on his mirror. Like, I broke all of your mirror parts, and then I charge you to replace your mirror that I broke. I mean, he saw the sign. It said only scams. What do you expect? Just how we do it here. Get a small newspaper stand. Alright. These people are just standing here, and they're like, is he gonna just be on the computer the whole time? I'm like, 1 second. Like 20 minutes later. Nothing changes. Hopefully Janessa's rested up by now. Or Charlotte, or... I don't know why I can never remember. I'm gonna pay you $39. Now get on the register. Fuel's low. People at cash register. Alright. So Janessa, or whatever her name is, taking care of the register. It's fine. No problems there. He's like, I hate my life. I hate my life. I hate my life. Yeah, whatever. Hello? Get to work. Just handle the register, Charlotte. Don't act like you got anything better to do. What happened to the oil jug? Clicked the wrong button. Oh, man. That was brutal. Okay, so it's not gonna let me... Okay. Alright. I guess you're not getting the oil done. I don't know. I tried. Now we got people at fuel delivery. Can I get another? Charlotte, get to work. Charlotte, you're slacking. You're gonna work the register, at least clean up a little bit. Jeez. Employee of the month right here. I want to break. I guess you can break. I'm really against breaks at only scams. Like our motto, it's on the front door. It says, no breaks. We don't pay well and no breaks. Come work for us. Cash register, got people in the garage. Customer at fuel. Alright, I'll do the fuel. And then my worst employee, my best employee, he'll come up here. It's not that hard, Janice, or Charlotte, or whatever your name is. Oh, there you are, Charlotte. Hey, take your time. It's been a long, like 50 years since you've been, clocked in. Wait. Where is that son of a bitch? I can hear him. Where is he? He's running around and I can hear him. Too slow. Couldn't find him. So I just realized that the reason I didn't hear Dennis running around was because my headphones were on backwards. Sorry, my sleepy employee. She's on her way. She's real tired. She's only slept for like 15 hours. I'd put Janessa on this garage duty, but I don't trust her, honestly. Pretty sure she'd like fill up the oil reservoir with like washer fluid or something like that. Oh, you know what? My inventory. God damn it. Those fucking newspapers. I gotta set up the fake newsstand. Alright. Time to order some fake news. Alright, we have to start making some serious progress with these challenges so I can get another employee. Get to work, Charlotte. Oh no. Oh no. Oh boy. Charlotte, get ready. Welcome in, here we go. Club only scams is popping off. Charlotte, don't you quit on me now. Don't you back out, this is a very important time. Forget about Charlotte. I fired her. Alright, there we go. Get out of here now. Got my auto parts. Close it. Don't forget this time. Because, oh, we're not gonna go there. Oh, shoot. That's my fault. Oh, that's my fault. Ooh, sorry. Maybe this will help. There we go. Come on, come on. I do it that way? Yeah, yeah. All right, yeah. Oh man, Rebecca, Charlotte, whatever your name is, what have you done to the place? So I think the best way I'm gonna do this is soft drinks. I'm gonna put certain products on this shelf, and then I'm gonna put certain products on this shelf. That way, we can separate the items because it seems like you just get mixed up as far as what's in stock and what's not. All right, folks, I'm really sorry about the wait. I'm gonna have my employee of the month, Charlotte. No, Charlotte, I'll be honest, she's not the best, but you know, Charlotte, I'll handle the gas station. You just, I don't know, ring people up. Oh my God, nobody walks slower than you, Charlotte. Oh my God. Take your time. It's not like, you know, we're in a rush or anything. Oh!
Nice.
Yeah, did you see that? That looked like blood. Oh, here we go, here we go. All right. Wheat. Okay, maybe we're on this side. Hey. 14 bucks? You know, I'm gonna check resumes because, okay, this guy seems a lot more legit. His resume notes that he's looking for more profitable work no matter its difficulty. He enjoys the outdoors, hiking, camping. Let's hire this guy. So we gotta let her go. If you fire employee, you can't have it back anymore. Why is Elon Musk the one that's saying this? How's he doing? How's the new guy doing? Huh? Okay, so we're good on booze. We need snacks next. Andrew, you're doing great so far. Keep it up, buddy. Start, stop. Wait, no. I mean, if she's wondering if this place is about scams. Did you not see the sign on the front? Okay, so far, Andrew has been able to work a very long shift, almost twice as long as Charlotte or whatever her name was. So this was a good hire. All right, so we got a new employee working towards getting all the challenges done to level up the gas station again. Hopefully be able to get some more employees, unlock some other things, and take care of some unfinished business for only scams. Thanks a lot.